Auto parts manufacturing industry. U-tube connector, precision machining. Original processing technology. Lathe machining center with numerical control. Drilling center and other equipment. Sequential processing. Process dispersion. There are many process links. The main problems are as follows. A workpiece needs to be clamped multiple times. The consistency of positioning benchmarks is difficult to guarantee. Insufficient dimensional stability of the product. There are many turnaround links in the second process. Long production process. Overall production efficiency is low. 3. Multi-process and multi-device parallel operation. Operator configuration. Higher labor costs. 4. The type and quantity of equipment investment are large. Fixed asset investment, equipment footprint, and high operation and maintenance costs. Currently, adopt GXL46 Car Wash Composite Machining Center Plus. High Precision Special Tooling. Integrated Machining Solution. Realize one-time assembly plus multi-process composite processing. One matching high-precision tooling fixture. With non-stop transposition function. Multi-directional continuous precision machining can be realized. 2 configuration multi-tool position compound tool system. Integrated car wash drill lie. Chamfering, and other processing functions. Key processes, one-time processing molding. 1. Significant improvement in production efficiency. The processing efficiency is increased by about 40%. Effectively reduce labor allocation and labor intensity. 2. The stability of product quality has been greatly improved. One-time clamping effectively reduces clamping errors. Enhanced dimensional accuracy and consistency.
3.
Equipment investment and plant occupancy are significantly optimized. Fixed asset investment savings of 60%. Outstanding comprehensive economic benefits.